We're back with another problem covering the concept of what management is responsible for within an organization. In this video, we're going to solve P1-2B. Even though the instructions are the same, I'm going to read through them anyway. Consider each of the following independent scenarios. Each scenario requires that management apply one of their responsibilities: planning, directing, motivating, or monitoring. Note that I did not put down decision making, as every single scenario requires managers to make a decision about something. Select the one, planning, directing, motivating, or monitoring, that you consider more appropriate. Note that some may have more than one answer. Similar to P1-2A, I'm going to explain the why behind my choices because you might be asked to do the same on a test or exam. Let's start with A. Costco has signed contracts with local farmers in Nebraska to supply them with 40% of their yearly chicken needs. It's clear that Costco has plans to have chickens available to sell in their stores, and they have changed this into action by signing contracts with local farmers. So this is directing. Let's move on to B. Management at a technology firm has moved to a new office with open concept office space in order to increase the use of multifunctional teams. It's clear that the company has turned their plan of increasing multifunctional teams into action by creating open office space. This is directing. The open office space is meant to encourage employees to work together on projects, so this is also motivating. Let's move on to C. The owners of PDD Inc. want to earn a 12% profit on sales of their most popular product. They want to know how many units they have to sell in order to do so. The company clearly has set a goal of 12% profit for this product line. This is planning. This is also directing. That's because they're turning their goal into action. They want to learn how many products they will have to sell, and they are telling management that they have to figure this out. So notice, directing is getting things done. And because they want to know how many units they will have to sell in order to get a 12% profit, they are actually directing management or employees to determine that. Let's do D. Senior management compares actual unit sales to budgeted unit sales on a weekly basis. If sales are less than budgeted, the company considers if a sales promotion is required to increase sales. We can see that the company is comparing their actual performance against a budget or plan. This is monitoring. The company will use the feedback from the performance measure to determine what to do moving forward. If sales are short, they'll make adjustments to what they're doing in order to try and meet sales targets. Now let's move on to E. Senior management have reduced sales personnel's base salary and increased the amount of their sales commission for each unit sold. Here it's clear that management is encouraging sales personnel to sell more units. This is because the sales commission on each unit sold has become a larger part of their total salary. This is motivating. I should just explain what base salary and sales commission is. Base salary is a base amount that salesperson earn, regardless of how much they sell. Their sales commission is based on the number of units sold. If base salary becomes a smaller amount of the total salary that they get, then sales personnel would want to sell more units so that they could increase their salary. Let's move on to the last one. F, a manufacturing firm who produces similar products to other manufacturing companies, is determining how to produce their products more efficiently and at a lower price. It's clear that the goal of the company is to produce more products efficiently and at a lower price. This is planning. As yet, the company doesn't have a game plan. That's it for questions addressing the responsibility of managers. Thank you so much for joining me, and I really hope to see you in the next video.